Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings and click on Bluetooth. Now tap on the switcher over here to activate it. Wait a bit, and if you see all of those informations, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select rename this device and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. When you're ready, save your changes by typing on rename, and now as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!